Gold leaf is gold beaten into exceptionally thin sheets and applied as a decorative surface. Its luminous quality allows it to catch and reflect light in a way that transforms the object it adorns. Whether used in manuscripts, book covers, painting, sculpture, or architectural detail. Across centuries of artistic practice, gold leaf has been closely associated with the sacred and the transcendent. In religious art and architecture, it has symbolized divinity, reverence, and the presence of the spiritual realm. Its use elevates the visual language of a work, marking certain forms, figures, or texts as significant or worthy of contemplation. Beyond its material value, gold leaf carries symbolic weight. It speaks to devotion, craftsmanship, and the human impulse to honor what is considered holy, meaningful, and eternal through radiant surface and light. At Seed Gallery, the Art History and Economics Glossary explores the materials and methods artists use to imbue form with meaning and presence. Subscribe for deeper insights into art, symbolism, and material culture. Visit seedgallerynewyork.com.